I have stayed inside for a while, you know, like most of us. Like, did anyone else when that like stay-at-home order first came out and they're just like, all right, everybody, stay inside, just stay inside all day, don't do anything, stay inside, watch movies, cancel plans, stay inside. Was anybody else just like, okay? Yeah, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God, I've been like, I think I'm gonna survive. Like, this is incredible. That's it? Just stay inside? Holy shit! Turns out I've been training for this moment my whole life. This is incredible. I'm the chosen one. Like, couch potato? Fuck no, I'm about to fulfill a prophecy. Like, I had a good time this last year. I think I did fulfill a prophecy. I know this is a comedy show, but I'm being dead serious right now. What I did during this last year was I gained roughly 25 to 30, 35, I gained 35 pounds. Gained 35 pounds during this last year. I've always been like a supple guy, but I'm straight up jolly now. That is a medical term, you know. That's what my doctor told me. He was like, you were supple, and then you got pokeable, and now you're jolly. And I was like, I'm fucking getting out of this tent. I don't trust you at all. This guy. That is a handwritten sign. My insurance sucks. God damn it. Me and this tent doctor, we did get a little bit done. He told me that I had gained enough weight during the pandemic that I got to move up vaccine categories. That's a prophecy, team. I fulfilled it. All right, I got the vaccine at the United Center. The vaccine group is called 1B+, which is pretty heavy-handed, city of Chicago. They were just like, get on in there, big boy. Like, and I was like, stop! It's not pokeable anymore. I grew out of that. It's kind of new. Don't touch it.